Fastener, go gua fali and forward fali. So, basic position, yes, keep basic controlling force. Now, the main topic is pointing force, controlling force. From the moment when you touch opponent's hand, you should have control, not just something like this, and bam, and opponent is hitting, but diagonal, purpose, controlling force. But this force should be round, just sinking your elbows, but you don't keep expanding outward force. It should be idea of expanding, embracing and expand. First thing I start is some upward force. Like doing, for example, go barge one, pulling back, body sitting down, but here is additional supplemental upward force. This is upward force. As I checking how he will react to this. This shouldn't be like this. It was more like remember about embracing expand. It was too much like here. Open. Oh. Starting from situation of expanding, embracing, diagonal, purpose, and you are still. You don't have to relax. I immediately attack. When you are still, I cannot hit you because there's a barrier, but then now we are working with this, using this stiffness. Full, not opening like this. There is some upward force, there's some opening force, but the main force is pulling this side. Pull, and then you're just closing. You're doing next action which you're not supposed to do in this exercise. You're just telling you this opportunity. You don't know what's happening. Now he's pushing. In free pushing hand. Okay, you react. And here is some fixed situation. You need to work with fixed situation because then you will be able to understand the principles which are inside. And if you change situation, it's just wasting time for doing something else, and you lose opportunity of understanding, getting understanding of the principles in this exercise. This was go gua. Basic. No, it's just pressing down. We're talking about basic. It's forward. When you're pressing down, then I need to change. But now we're working with situation when there's contact, just basic forward force. Then, next step. I'm listening, you immediately tense. If you don't tense, I just attack. So first, this basic force, changing, and then, you see this? When he's losing balance, pushing forward, pushing here, but not like this, keeping this controlling force here. Now, let's work with one shoe. And also, you need to remember about controlling force, controlling opponent arms. Also, this is basic force, idea of force pointing toward opponent center. This pressing forward. Start from this. Then it's like I'm already starting, sitting, pulling, some pressing down, and see what's happening. If he is relaxed at this moment, I immediately change to attacking. But I do this, and I feel that he is opposing. Then I immediately use his tension, suddenly issuing power. When he's losing balance, changing direction, pushing him away. When starting, not from here. If your opponent can immediately attack you. Here, diagonal surface from substance. So, at this moment, I'm pressing, this is my tension, so it is pulling, doing go, gua, and immediately after this, he will try to do forward fight. So, once more. Here, and from here, he will try to do forward fight. but you follow him with action like twitch release. Just forward pressing down, inward pressure, but this is not big force, this is not like pressing down like this is not closing, it's different situation. Of course, if I change situation, he will also change his action. Now we are working with this kind of fixed situation. You need to have fixed situation at the beginning in order to understand the principles. When you understand principles, it's time to make changes and to use those principles in changing situations. Here is doing over and following. Doing over and following with this. All the time keeping control. Now I'm controlling his hand. So when he's trying to do pull and chew, at this moment, I could do, he's trying to do forward volley, I could do, for example, pull and chew. Counter his action. So again, one. Now I'm doing pull and chew, and for example, push or he's doing go back. Here I control. I'm doing shrampa all the time, controlling his action and being able to react, to change, to unbalance him and affect his center and push. Neutralizing pull and chew. So keep embracing, expanding. So pull and chew here. Contact on both sides, diagonal surface, embracing, expanding, round, forward, we both controlling this situation. Now is pressing down to see how I'm reacting. I'm relaxed, immediately attack. I'm trying to keep this position, keep this guard. So he feels that tension appears, he is using this tension, pulling with his hips. Downward, backward here, pressing down, some pulling back, and balancing me, and then push. So, just relaxing is bad because opponent will use it to hit you. Tensing is bad because sudden issue of power and you lose balance and then opponent is continuing with next actions. You should use a light force which is adapting to situation. You should follow opponent's action but keeping control. So, start from here. Basic situation. Now, some pressure. You feel that I'm opposing, so you are doing full and chew, but now I don't keep this position. I don't relax, move my hands up. I follow this action with spiral movement, spiral force. Downward, forward, creating inward and upward force at the same time, and actually affecting his center. So, once more he's doing this, and affecting his center. It's a difficult situation for him, but anyway, if he's trying to do forward volley from here, I'm controlling him. At any moment I can make change once more here, or when I feel that he's losing balance, I'm just using this moment, pressing down with backward, continuing with forward. But important is that you should keep control, both of you, not like here and you push here and you forget about controlling. You should remember about control. Me too. Not like this, not tension, forward controlling. This is most important part.